We're going to be talking about some more Solana NFTs, more of like a journal, in that where there's not many plays right now. Just kind of like how these Solana NFTs are doing right now. There's a lot of pump and dumps right now. I've been getting myself into a bunch of them. I bought a degen guy. I bought a daring dino NFT. I bought 2 of the Akuma, one of the soul stars. I could buy some more of this stuff. I have a bunch of these meerkats as well. A lot of stuff. We'll have some apes as well, last apes. I'll put all the links in the description if you're interested. All this stuff right here, and the panthers as well. So yeah, what's going on right now is there's a lot of pump and dumps. This is a really good example of the panthers. So they are minting for 0.8, and what happened was the floor went down all the way to maybe 0.1, 0.2, but now it's come all the way up past the mint price, all the way up to 2 SOL. That's pretty crazy. And it's only a span of about maybe 2 days, or it goes, starts at mint price, goes maybe 8% down, and it comes all the way back up. Most of this is because of these Twitter influencers. So they seem to have a really high impact on the Solana market. So someone with maybe like 20,000 followers shows a project like they did for this one, and all of a sudden it goes parabolic and turns into like this big pump and dump sort of scheme in a way. That's what I would call it. These cozy cubs are really weird. So I was in the Discord maybe like I want to say like a month or 2 ago, and I got the early adopter role. And I didn't think they were going to do very much, so they are minting for 0.1 SOL. So I bought a few of them, and then when that Twitter influencer showed it, I went ahead and minted about 24. I have 24 in total. 24 in total. I think this price is just ridiculous. 0.5. I don't know what's gonna happen. They're selling for 5x of the mint price, and it's very similar to the pesky penguins. You could minted basically as many as you wanted. Really pretty crazy that way. You just gotta be careful. We are making money. The only NFT I'm losing money in that I threw a little bit too much at was these Akuma Noneko NFTs. I bought them for maybe closer to 2 SOL. So I basically lost the gains that I made previous week, actually. Just throwing them into here. So it's pretty funny. And now we made more gains thanks to the cozy cubs on paper. I haven't sold anything yet. These are all the NFTs I have in the Telegram I'm posting. So yeah, before selling them, just post them there. But it's pretty difficult, honestly, finding these NFTs and then get into them. And it's very gambling in that it's unexpected whether or not one project's going to do well or not. Mostly just if a influencer backs it, then it's not bad. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. And then in my next video, I'm going to be talking about sort of like a beginner's guide. A friend asked me to make it, so I thought I'd make like a little beginner's guide on how to get started in the crypto DeFi ecosystem. Yeah, stay tuned for that, and